is 1 quart of the beige gels already. And cure for 10 seconds. So now I am going to apply this velvety gels on the nails. So you don't need a lot for the short nails. If you need more, absolutely can go back and get more velvety gels. This is perfect for like odorless environments. The clients don't want any film whatsoever. This is going to be is an awesome alternative, or is additional to add it on. This one may be better. Yeah, okay. So you can see that in my temperatures on my hand is just warmer. So that's why therefore you see the is glow in the dark velvety gels, and also thermal change is changing to the lighter color. So I'm submerging the brush into the beige gels, which is the same beige gels that I applied on the nail on my nails, and cure for 10 seconds. Using the brush, the bristle, tip of bristle, and tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. And it's really salt level is so easy. However, it's not is like running too crazy fast to the point that you couldn't even control of your velvety gels. So I'm going to tuck it in and make sure that it covers from the sidewall to sidewall. And then basically do not have to do and manipulating it too much, because it's going to salt level is beautiful for you. So I'm tucking it in this side right there, just a little bit. Because a lot of you were seeing me doing is long nails all the time. So it's a great time to doing a short nail, so then you can able to see. I'm just really debating with the long nail and short nails. Almost doing a really long nails, and I cut it off because I want to see that how it's salt level. I just turn it really slow for about 4 seconds, and then we can cure, flash cure for quick 30 seconds. When you want to completely cure for is like full cure, you can place this under LED light for a 60 seconds, but I'm gonna do about 30 seconds because we're gonna do the rest of the nails. So we're gonna do like 4 more nails before we completely cure, okay? Like flash cure. Just 10 seconds. And then we are going to, that's gonna look like that. There you go. Okay, 10 seconds is good. Moving on the next one. I'm gonna shape all of them at the one time. I did the pinky already. So we're gonna move into the middle one. And it's the best part about the velvety gels, if you feel like it's not enough, absolutely can add it on. Or if you feel like it's too much, you can absolutely take it off, okay? All right. It's so fast. Yes, Dom, it's just really fast. It's like I just working on under the camera right now and talk to you, and you can already get sculpting like easy and fast. So now I'm gonna using the dual end is a velvety gel brush, and I'm gonna tuck it into the cuticles, and also on the sidewall to the sidewall. You don't have to manipulating is a lot. It just really and I'm look at the I have the beautiful glitter from Subscription Box. I really like that on here. However, You can leave it alone because we want to do some, we'll do Aurora gels on the top of this. So it's gonna make it looks really cool. All right, I'm gonna turn it upside down. This is perfect. It will no messy at all, no odor, fast, easy. Stout level itself, and it gives it the strength, like additionals of the thickness for your nails. All right, so we're gonna do flash cure, quick 30-second. It changed the colors right now. Yeah. Oh my God, it changed for the pink. I can't see. I want to see the comment. No. Okay. All right. So moving on, the index one. Just get a smaller amount, smaller beads. Also, if you need more, absolutely. Look at this. With this amount of velvety gel you're using on the short nails, if you have a lot of short nail clients, like more conservatives, if you have a clients like more into a medical field or in anything that they need to get their nail shorter, so you probably can get like about 50 to 60 set out of this, because this jar is 60 grams, so it's like 12 times bigger than your 40 gels or your weaver gels. Same thing, I'm gonna submerging my bristles, my brush back into the bay gels right here, and just tuck it in. Gently. You don't have to manipulating it too much. The base gel will help special bond and make your velvety gel is really flexible, and it's lining like really lightweight when you're wearing it, and it's not break down your products at all. I'm so excited for this color because, as I said, if I have to pick one colors, I will pick raspberry because it's pink, and then when my body temperatures is get changed, it changes it to the light pink. So again, I'm gonna just tuck it in like part of a velvety gel, so I'm placing like a little bit away from the cuticles, and then I tuck it in, so then that way it's go closer to the cuticle, but however it's not going to flood your cuticles. Okay, I'm gonna turn it upside down. Yes, Dom, I agree. So fast, this is lovely and refreshing. That's awesome. All right, turn, and then we are going to flash cure this really quick, okay? So I can move on to the thumb. And then for the last nail, which is the thumbs, I'm gonna using a smaller, also smaller beads. And it's cure. So you got a little bit tacky layer. We're going to clean it just a little bit, okay? Just a smaller. It's really smaller. Small. And then it's cool about this, about Velvetty Gel, you feel like it's not enough, you can always add more, okay? Or you feel like it's too much, then you can always get it off. Remove the parts that you don't want it. So using the tip of the bristle, you're gonna tuck it in, in the cuticles. This is really gentle. You don't have to do is really aggressive.
So hey Snuggle, so you haven't missed much. Nancy just started working on her own hand with Velvetty Gel. So we only start for a little bit less than 15 minutes. And see, it's already done. One hand.
Yeah,
Nice
it
and
just. And you don't have to do it a lot at all. It's already set level, and I just guided it, blended it out. Even do it for short nails or long nails is gonna make it so much easier. Tuck it in on the side. Velvetty Gels does everything already. There you go. Turn it upside down. Hi Snuggle. Hello Brazil. Great job on that tutorial. I love it. It looks so cool and stunning, Brazil. And Princess Gems Nails, hello, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. All right, so I'm gonna key for flash key for 10 seconds. You might want to close this one and put that one away. Yeah. So how simple, and I'm gonna show you how I finish with the look of this color. This one, it looks under camera, it doesn't look different. But when you're being, it's like in a spotlight, so just the little lights, it doesn't have a lot. This is like a lot of lights going on. But just little lights, like even like when you are reading books at night at your, like in your bed, you just like, just flip the hand like this. It's gonna so cool though. All right, so I'm here all of